What's up, guys? This is Philly Storage RC. Today I got the ARRMA Typhon TLR. Last run I was using the foam tires. I was doing a tire comparison, but my hexes, not my hexes, but something was wrong with the tire. But today I'm gonna do a speed test. Not gonna be long, just a couple passes. See how the foams hold up. The previous video I did with this car, I got 78 miles an hour. And my last test was the foam tires. I wanted to see what I would get on that. So 78 miles an hour is the thing to beat right now. So I'm looking forward to 85, hopefully, but 80 I'll be happy with 80. So without any further ado, let's get into it. Yeah, now I'm all zeroed. Okay, not that either. Okay, we're gonna start right now, see if we're reading. Yeah, we're ready. Where's my, almost missed that. I just did a pass with it, man. This thing was moving. I didn't track the speed though, but I'm tracking the speed now. So and if this is faster than my felony on 6S, this, I mean, 6S. Yeah, these foam tires make it so much easier. I don't want to mess these up. Let's see what we got here. In the survey says 77 miles an hour. So that's not much better. And I'm running that CNHL battery in there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try the CNHL and then I'm going to try the Turnergy battery to see if that makes a difference. 77 miles an hour. This 120C though. I mean, it looked like it was moving to me. But okay, we got a lot of, no, I didn't start it. That's my, yo, I'm not a speed runner. Jeez. Make sure it's zeroed out. Dang, man. Me and speed running is not friends. She was moving though. This is very easy to control also. I mean, very easy to control. Now, let y'all know when I hit full throttle, and we hitting full throttle now. Full throttle. Almost lost it, but them tires definitely make the handling 10 times better. Definitely give you that extra edge with these foams on here. This literally beats out the grippers, in my opinion. Just my opinion. Calm down, it's just my opinion. Well, at least with this application. 78 miles an hour, so we still hit the same miles per hour with that battery, with the Turnergy battery. So I ain't no need of me switching out and all that. I'm just see, can I get 80 at least? That was a good pass. Could have been better. All right, we're gonna check the temps. So we got 117 on the motor. And I don't know if you can see this stuff. It's dropping fast. 90 something, 95 degrees on the and look at that rust. 89 on the battery, I mean on the servo, 87 on the battery. Yeah, we ain't gotta stop yet. We ain't gotta stop. We far from stopping. I did give it some cool off time. We ain't got to stop nothing. My goal today is to hit 80 miles an hour. Yeah, I should be able to pull that off. We're not going to stop till we hit that 80 miles an hour. We all zeroed out and everything like that. So we're gonna hit 80. Full throttle. Yo, that thing was moving. Yo, that was moving and grooving. Let's see if the speed shows. Oh, come on now. This phone. Cheapest phone ever. 78. I'm not getting over that 80. I'm not getting over that 80, man. It tops out at 80 miles an hour. I need to up the pinion. Seems like I can gear up, no cogging or nothing like that. I think if I gear up a few teeth, I'll hit like 80 something miles an hour. But what we gonna do? Give it another shot. Another shot. I think I don't think it's gonna hit that 80. It's just not gonna do it. I pulled full throttle halfway, more than halfway up the line. So I'm gonna try to pull. I'm scared to pull off the line. Let's pull off the line full throttle. Full throttle straight off the line. Hopefully that's 80. $78 miles an hour. That's as good as it's gonna get. 78 is all I'm gonna get out of it. All right, 78.